Hi, I'm Susan Regular, and today I want to talk about how you can get your marketing message to stand out. And that means whether you've got your message on your website, or if you're having a conversation with somebody at a networking event or at a social encounter. So, have you ever had somebody ask you, what do you do? And you're watching their eyes as you're trying to explain what it is that you do, and you realize that they don't get it. Their eyes maybe have glazed over, or they're starting to lose interest because they don't understand what you're talking about. And I'm going to say 99% of the chance, the reason is that you're talking about your process. You're going into way too much detail on how it is, whatever you do, but not the outcomes that you're delivering. And let's face it, nobody wants to go into detail. We all have our own magic on what we do, but you don't need to share that. That's yours. Instead, there's three things that you need to do to really capture the attention to make your marketing message stand out. And the first is that you've got to understand your target audience. What matters to them the most? In other words, what's their big problem? So when you can understand their problem and relate to that in the words that you're using, people are going to really get what it is that you can fix or the solutions that you're offering. The second part of this is that you've got to share the outcomes, what they're going to receive when they've worked with you, when they've bought your product, bought your service. But what is that emotion related to the benefit that they're going to get? Tap into those emotions and you're going to see magic go off into their eyes. And then you want to share why you. What value do you bring to the table that makes you stand apart from all other service providers? When you can tap into those three things, understanding who your client is, what the benefit and the emotion behind it that you're delivering, and why you're really going to stand apart in your marketing message. People are going to get that and start referring more other people to you because they're going to know who's your ideal client. So try that today and we'll just see how well your marketing messages are going to stand apart.